Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's fundamental to understanding how living things function. Get ready to unlock the secrets of chemical bonds and discover how they fuel the incredible processes that keep us alive. Picture this: you're enjoying a nice meal, but did you know that every bite you take is a chemical reaction waiting to happen? That's right, the food you eat is broken down through a series of metabolic pathways that harness the power of chemical bonds. These tiny bonds between atoms store energy that powers every process in your body from the blink of an eye to the beat of your heart. So let's embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of chemical bonds and see how they form the very essence of metabolism. Now let's get into it. First up, we need to understand what metabolic processes are all about. Think of metabolism as the sum of all chemical reactions that occur within an organism. It's like the body's very own bustling city, full of intricate processes working together to keep everything running smoothly. One of the key aspects of metabolism is that it involves breaking down molecules, releasing energy, and building new molecules, which requires energy. These processes are known as catabolism and anabolism respectively. They are like two sides of the same coin, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the body's delicate balance. Catabolic reactions are the breakdown processes that release energy. Imagine a busy recycling plant where large molecules like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins are broken down into smaller components. This breakdown releases energy that is captured in special energy currency used by cells called ATP. It's like taking apart a complex machine to use its parts to build something new. This released energy is then used to fuel anabolic processes, which are the building up reactions that require energy. In these processes, simpler molecules are used to create more complex ones, much like constructing a new machine from the recycled parts. Think of it as building blocks assembling themselves into a towering structure. Both catabolism and anabolism are essential for life. They work together to ensure that your body has the energy and needs to function properly. Just as a city needs both power plants to provide energy and construction sites to build and repair infrastructure, you too rely on these metabolic processes to stay alive and thrive. Now let's shift our focus to the stars of the show: chemical bonds. These bonds between atoms are like the invisible glue that holds molecules together, and they play a pivotal role in metabolic processes. You see, chemical bonds store energy, and when they are broken or formed, energy is either released or absorbed. Catabolic reactions often involve breaking chemical bonds. For example, when you eat a carbohydrate like glucose, enzymes, which are like tiny molecular machines, help break the bonds between its atoms. This process releases energy that is stored in ATP, allowing your body to use glucose for fuel. On the other hand, anabolic processes use the energy from ATP to build new molecules by forming chemical bonds. Think of it like this: when you repair a broken bone, your body uses energy to bring the fragments together and knit them back into one whole. The formation of new bonds between the atoms of the bone is what holds the pieces together again. The types of chemical bonds involved in metabolic processes are diverse. Covalent bonds, which involve sharing electrons between atoms, are common in molecules like water and glucose. When these bonds are broken or formed, energy is exchanged. For instance, breaking the covalent bonds in glucose during its breakdown releases energy. Another type is the hydrogen bond, found in molecules like water and DNA. These bonds are weaker than covalent bonds and are important for processes like protein folding and DNA replication. The energy required for metabolic processes is often provided by ATP, the energy currency of cells. ATP is made of adenine, ribose, and 3 phosphate groups. The bonds between these phosphate groups are particularly rich in energy. When one of these bonds is broken, energy is released, which can be used to drive other processes. Understanding the role of chemical bonds in metabolism is crucial for comprehending the complexities of life itself. It's like unraveling the language of the body's molecular world. By studying metabolic processes, researchers are working towards developing new treatments for diseases and disorders that result from metabolic imbalances. This knowledge also helps us appreciate the incredible efficiency and elegance of the natural world around us. From the smallest cell to the largest animal, all living things rely on the intricate dance of chemical bonds to sustain life. So the next time you take a bite of food or feel your muscles move, remember the incredible processes happening at the molecular level. Chemical bonds are the unsung heroes that make it all possible. Thanks for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon for more exciting content. We've got plenty more videos that will make you say, "Wow, I didn't know that." Until next time, stay curious, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of science.